I built a plant out of Legos. I saw it online and I had to get it for myself, even though I've never really built Legos. So this is gonna be interesting. Starting off, I literally had no idea what I was doing. I was trying to follow the directions as best as I can, even though I kind of suck at following directions.
I have these pieces left, but I can't find where it's going.
Anyways, after a couple missing pieces and a couple of hours, I was well on my way.
Generally, this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the leaves.
Okay, now we're finally at the finishing touches. These are some butterflies that I think are so cute. Oh my god!
Hey! Oh my god, this is so cool. We have some dirt.
Some Lego dirt we pour.
Here we have it.
1,000 pieces, 4 hours, and we're finally done.